家长们好，小朋友们好，我是安迪波，也非常想念你们。你们在家里好吗？来，我们今天有煮 spaghetti sauce 啊，来，我们一起去吃。
1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 medium-sized onion, diced or minced into small pieces, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, minced into small pieces, 200 grams of breast chicken meat, diced into small pieces, 100 grams of cauliflower, cut into small pieces, 100 grams of carrots, diced or cut into small pieces, cut into small pieces, 100 ml of milk, 1 tablespoon of plain white flour, a cup of water, salt and pepper to taste. Add the onion, add the chicken, and stir in about 2 minutes. And now, after 2 minutes, add the minced garlic. Stir well until fragrant. And now add the cauliflower. Next will be the carrots. Stir in until the vegetable is softened. Add a little bit of water to help soften the vegetables and let it simmer. And now add the flour and milk mixture into the vegetables. This will help thicken the sauce. Stir in well and let it simmer. Let the sauce simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. And now add salt and pepper to taste. Stir in well. And now the white cream sauce spaghetti is ready to be served. And now you can pour over the cream sauce onto the spaghetti. And there you have it, the white cream sauce spaghetti for you to enjoy.
来，好了，我的 spaghetti white sauce 好了，来，小朋友来吃，enjoy，谢谢你们。